close. And then based on the shade of green on this map, it looks like the mountains are going to be even bigger there. So I think it's behind this range. And I'm pretty sure that's a castle that's lit up on that mountain.
It's a random person's basement in Slovenia. I don't know anything about where it's at. I didn't know it was attached to Austria 24 hours ago.
It's nice though.
I don't know, is it?
Yeah.
What's nice about it?
Well, it is. It's clean. Good morning from Lake Bled, Slovenia.
Buenos dias.
What do you think about swimming?
Oh yeah, we're gonna swim for sure. Although we're in the mountains, this is probably some glacial runoff. Gotta do it when in Rome. It was a quick morning in the lake, but with our desire to cross the Croatian border to seek warmer weather, we stopped for some Slovenian snacks for our drive south.
I don't know what it is.
Look at the pictures.
Is it baby food?
It's not baby food.
Sumi monsters! Sumi monsters!
Here we go. And it's rolling. And
Hey kids, we're here at the caves. Trying to figure out how
What
invested.
caves?
Well, we don't know how to say them.
that's
Skocjan Caves of Slovenia.
Okay, first moving English tour. Please wait patiently and quietly. I'm sorry, but in this cave it is not allowed to take any photos at all. In front of us we have the entire cave system map. The Skocjan Caves are almost 7 kilometers long. We'll see a little bit more than 2 kilometers of the cave, this orange pink part. Yeah? We first enter through this artificial tunnel, and after 100 meters we enter the natural cave, and you will see two completely different parts of our cave. The first one is so-called Tihayama, that means silent cave, where there is no water, no river, but plenty of dripstones. And then in about half of the tour we enter the river canyon, and we'll see the last kilometer of it. Otherwise the entire canyon is almost 4 kilometers long, but this section here is entirely closed for public.
Amazing.
The cave blew our minds. Obviously you didn't see any awesome footage. It was really dark in there because it's a cave.
Oh yeah.
Maybe
I guess.
we
so.
took some sneaky footage.
weren't supposed
The real story is that, yeah, we weren't supposed to be filming.
Oh my god, that was so much bigger than I thought. Seriously.
That's what she said. We can't even do that.
Oh my god, no, seriously. It was insane.
It looked like Lord of the Rings, like Goblin King stuff in there. And just massive in scope, volume. It was super well laid out for the like tourist trip.
Uplighting was
The uplighting.
Well, it was.
No, it was great.
I constantly was reminding myself that it wasn't Disney World. It looked plastic.
Yeah, it felt like we were in a line to ride like the mine carts or something. Because yeah, the lighting, it was very like moody in there almost.
Yeah.
Like setting the tone.
Which maybe makes sense. Then I guess suppose Disney does a good job. Because like that was real.
Yeah,
That was
I'm
like
glad
the
that we did it.
best €12 we'd spent.
That was.
I think that was my